Dustin here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke on this beautiful, hot, sunny day, and I have a smoking hot deal for you guys. This is a 2021 Prime Time Avenger 24 BHS on the model number, guys. This is the perfect family unit, super lightweight for towing capabilities, solid steps to get in, pass-through storage. Check out the awning, and it even comes with an outdoor kitchen at the back, guys. Come on inside, let's check it out together. Inside the door, our unit controls are right there. Entertainment center. Check out that TV. Comes with the unit, guys. Inside, outside speakers, of course, with some storage down below. We'll head up into the master bedroom because there is a queen size bed here with storage all around and a spot you can mount a TV so you can lay in bed and watch your favorite flicks. Just beside you guys, there's a huge U-shaped dinette. That is so massive. That's perfect if you have somebody who's like 6 feet tall and needs to sleep somewhere. Windows all around, of course. And then do a 180 because check out our kitchen. Good amount of counter space here. Nice big sink. You do have the stove cover, so that's extra space if, prep work or whatnot. 3-burner cooktop with a nice size oven down below. Microwave and range hood. And then, just beside all that, is our refrigerator. Ducted AC through the whole unit. And right over here, you could use this as your pantry and or maybe your towel closet. Spot for the kiddos. Double over double bunks, window up top. They both do have lights as well. And then into the bathroom. Tons of space around the toilet, what I like to see. Lots of vanity space, storage down below, medicine cabinet up top. And then check out the size of the shower. For the size of the unit, you even get a seat. Like, what? This is super cool, guys. If you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at pineacresrv.com.